I've been influenced and I finally got the Crystal Gem Candy. Here you go, kitty. And I got it from this shop right here, handmade, vegan, and gluten-free. It comes in such a cute, fancy box. Look at this. And my kitty loves it too. Just look how pretty. Wow, these are just gorgeous. Look at these. I can't believe they're edible. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite, and it is lemon flavor. We also got mango flavor. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this lychee raspberry. I'm gonna try the mango first. Listen to this crunch.